Hey, I am standing in Navo at the moment and I'm looking at few crown lots available here for sale. This is going for 85,000 plus VAT. So this is located about a good 5 minutes drive from Nandi town. It's an upcoming area where it's not too far away from the town, but you can also have the country view as well. Look at this, how beautifully green, blue skies, absolute paradise. I wouldn't mind coming and living here, honestly. It is so close to the town, close to the commercial sector, to the township of Nandi, about a good 20 minutes drive from Nandi International Airport. It's close to the shopping centers. There's primary schools, high schools, private, public education available. Look at these blue mountains over there. So peaceful, very breezy. So if you are thinking of moving to Fiji, wanting to stay in a place like this, close to the town, but not living in the town, the business of the town, the traffic, so this is the place to be. Nice and peaceful country lifestyle. Look at this, beautiful. Contact me today on +679 86 36 315. Don't hesitate, pick up the phone, give us a call so that we can secure this land for you. You can view this, we can do a video calling for you if you are in overseas. We can secure this piece of beautiful land, absolute green, blue mountains surrounding, nice and peaceful. Thank you for watching.